Number 2 is Icinginks' latest topper image cake printer. The Icinginks' latest topper image cake printer is the perfect tool for professional bakers and home cooks who want to create unique and visually stunning cake designs. This wireless cake printer has advanced photo editing software and 5 Icinginks brand cartridges that produce vivid colors and excellent image resolution. In addition to the cartridges, the package includes 12 sugar frosting sheets and 25 wafer sheets, ensuring you have everything you need to get started. The printhead cleaning flush kit makes maintenance and cleaning easy and hassle-free. With lifetime access to photo editing software and 3 months of template editing software, you can create personalized cake images that are truly unique. The Icinginks' latest topper image cake printer produces edible, visually appealing, and delicious images. The quality of the icing and wafer sheets is top-notch, producing vibrant and edible images. In short, the Icinginks' latest topper image cake printer is an outstanding investment for anyone who wants to take their cake decorating skills to the next level. Its cutting-edge technology, high-quality components, and professional-grade results make it one of the best edible printers for cakes available. If you want to buy the Icinginks image cake printer, check the link in the description box to buy it. Number 3